spent, and you have a right to have intelligent use of your taxpayer resources. And we will put the checkbook online. This is not my idea, but I'm going to put the basic the basic balance sheet, the basic checkbook of the city. When we're in office, we're going to put that online, and not only are we going to put that online so you can see are we in the red, are we in the black, like you would run your own house, but every bond issue that we do, you have a right to know. You have a right to know, what did we spend the money on? I have people coming up to me going, I thought we were supposed to get our parks fixed down here. Didn't we just do a $40 million bond issue? And I said, yeah, and I don't have the answer. Did you try to find out? Yeah, nobody will tell me anything. That is wrong, and that will end. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you ever, when we're in office, if you ever have a problem like that, you call me personally, because I'll march down the hall and get the answer for you. That is your money, you're entitled to an answer. And you're entitled to good, strong fiscal management, no waste, no fraud, no corruption, and not too many people doing one job, which I see a lot on, I think, on the management level over there now. That's got to be fixed. So, it's a long answer, but it's dear to my heart. So.